Hi, welcome back. This is Sumedha, and today we are going to do 10 minutes meditation to powerfully restore and reconnect with the present moment with this present breath. This 10 minutes deep relaxation guided meditation will help you find positive energy and peace as it guides your breath, mind, inner awareness to releasing all that is weighing you down. You relax and slowly let go of stress, anxiety, doubts, as this positive energy meditation class will give you the ability to guide your heart and mind to peaceful and blissful present awareness. Alright, let's get started. Welcome everyone. This is Sumedha. We are going to do 10 minutes morning meditation. And today we have a simple, nice meditation you can do just as you woke up. This will keep you centered and ready to start your day. So let's begin. You can practice this in any of the comfortable sitting position, maybe onto the floor or onto the chair. I'm going to do it in Sukhasana, sitting down on a poster. As you begin, settle down into any comfortable sitting position. Let's hand fall naturally down, palms facing up or down, whatever feels more comfortable here. As you begin, settle in. Feel the support of your floor or chair onto the ground and take simple breathing. Take deep breath in and deep breath out. Lengthen up your spine as you exhale. Maintain the length of the spine. Give yourself some space so that you feel ready to begin the day. Tune in, become more aware, coming to the present moment, just as it is, without judgment. This will help you remain open and optimistic as your day unfolds, no matter what the universe has in the store for you for today. If you're comfortable, maybe close your eyes this time. Tuning into your breath, simply follow the natural rhythm of your breath. Just observe. How is your breath doing today? Is it shallow or deep? Is it rhythmic or it's having a broken threads? Simply observe. Now let's see if we can deepen our breath. Inhale maybe over the count of 4 and exhale over the count of 4. Let's do this together. Inhale, big breath in. Exhale, big breath out. Inhale, big breath in. Exhale, big breath out. Now lovingly place your hands over your belly. We are going to breathe in and feel the belly expanded. As you breathe out, drop the belly button towards the spine. Once more, inhale, big belly coming out through the nose, through the diaphragm into the belly. As you exhale, navel towards the spine. Once more. Exhale. Now place your hands onto the side of your chest over the rib cage. As you breathe in, make sure your shoulders are moving away from your ears and down to the neck. Now feel the expansion of your rib cage under your palms as you breathe in. Simply follow the rib cage with your palms as you exhale, rib cage relaxing. Let's do 2 to 3 more times. Inhale, rib cage is expanding, your hands are expanding. And as you exhale, the hands are contracting, the rib cage is getting inside. Once more, big breath in. Exhale, big breath out. Gently bring your hands back on your knees. Belly is comfortable. I'm going to place my hands upward direction this time. Make sure your spine is nice and long. Head is tall. Shoulders are moving away from your ears, back and down. And let's enter mind into your breath for 10 rounds. Let's do it together. Begin. Soften up your face. Relax the lips. See, the tip of your tongue is touching to the roof of your mouth as you breathe in and breathe out. Relaxing your shoulders. If your mind wanders, gently call it back and center to the breath. 4 more breaths to go. Deep, long inhalation. Longer exhalations. Inhale softly through the nose, all the way up to the crown of your head. As you exhale, completely down towards your perineum. Try to sit even more taller, expanding your stomach, expanding your chest as you inhale. As you exhale, come down. When you are ready, bring your palms together in a Namaskara Mudra, close towards your heart, softening your neck, bowing down. Let the head bow gently towards the Anjali Mudra. Eyes can still be closed. This is really good time to set an intention for the day. It can be a goal or something you want to accomplish, or whatever. Breathing in and breathing out, or a feeling that you want to carry with you all day long. This is really a good opportunity to plant the seed of what you want to accomplish or how you want to feel all day long. Make a simple sentence with your resolution. Take a deep breath in. Repeat your resolution to yourself as you breathe out. Your resolution will resonate with you all day long. Let's take another deep breath in and out to imprint this resolution deep into our mind. Repeat your resolution. Let's take another deep breath to seal our resolution in our minds. Perhaps you can feel a little inner smile now, gentle smile onto your face. Your smile is the beginning to form and gives you more clarity. When you are ready, gently bring the palms down and then bring the palms onto your eyes in a cup shape. Gently blink your eyelids, open and close. Bring the palms back towards your knees and with a few blinks, slowly open up your eyes. I hope you feel fresh and centered. Remember the feeling of this inner smile and carry in with you all day long. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for another episode of Wellness in my wellness journey with Sumedha. Have a great day and see you soon. Namaste. Take care. The light in me honors, sees, and respects the light in each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your beautiful energies with me. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date in all our new yoga and workout classes. See you. Thank you so much. Namaste.